Hey there, welcome back for another fun recipe with me. All right, so I am about to share with you the most simple, easy, and delicious air fryer chicken wings that you will ever taste. My husband came across this recipe on the internet. He sent it to me and oh my wow, whoever created this knocked it out of the park. So let's get started. All right, so we're just gonna get started with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I like to use real salt. Next, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure you're using baking powder, not baking soda. That is very important. This is to add the crispiness for the batter. Gonna give that a nice little mix around. To simplify it even more, I could have just grabbed a Ziploc bag and put the ingredients right into there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Zip it up and mix it around a bit. Just make sure everything combines really well. Next, we're gonna grab our chicken wings. And if they're really damp, you'll wanna pat them off pretty dry. Otherwise, you can just unload those right into your Ziploc bag. Zip it back up and toss things around in there. You'll see everything is nice and coated with our seasonings. Okay, so I'm using a Ninja Foodi to cook my chicken wings. It says for a Ninja Foodi, you will set it to air crisp, 390 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes per side. Okay, so I made these the other day and it only took 22 minutes total. So I'm just gonna set it to 23 minutes just to be safe. And then I'll set a timer for the halfway point using my Alexa. And I'm gonna go ahead and press start so it can be preheating. Now, if you're using any other type of air fryer, you'll set it to 400 degrees and still do 12 to 15 minutes per side. While that's preheating, I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some olive oil in the baking tray. Okay, so my timer just went off on my Alexa. It's been 11 minutes, and now then I'm just gonna flip these over. You guys, they look so good and they smell even better. They are crispy. That baking powder is the key ingredient for crispy wings, okay? Get these all turned over. close it back down and it will continue for the remainder of the time. All right, so it just stopped. And oh my, wow, these look so amazing. They are super crispy, and I would love to just bite into one right now, but I'm afraid I would scorch and burn my mouth. So I'm gonna let these cool down and then show you how delicious they are. So this is a really good sauce that we found that we like. We get this at Sprouts. It's a buffalo sauce made with avocado oil. It's super great. And if you like sauce, you can use this for dipping sauce. Guys, so my husband's actually on his way home. I told him I was making these. He loves them so much, but I just have to tell you, they are so incredibly good. Super crunchy, crispy. The flavor, I don't even need the sauce, to be really honest with you. The flavor is so great. You could always add a little bit of cayenne pepper if you wanted to jazz them up even more, but I think that the paprika, the pepper, the salt, the garlic powder, the onion powder, all of that combined just is so, so perfect. But I hope you try these, and if you do, please let me know. I will put the recipe down in the description below. So anyways, I hope you try them and enjoy them.
These are phenomenal. I am not a fan of a very popular place that I will not say out loud and dog them because some of my friends love eating there. But these are better than any of the ones that they put together. So Karen could open up a restaurant, I think. But anyway, really good. I highly recommend it.